Your lesson essential question is, how do we divide by 8 and 9? So we're going to be dividing today using the numbers 8 and 9. So we'll be making either 8 or 9 equal groups, or we'll be making equal groups of 8 or 9. John has 56 straws. He needs 8 straws to make a spider. How many spiders can John make? First of all, what is this problem asking us to find? All right, this problem is asking us to find how many spiders John can make. What information is going to help us solve this? We know that he has 56 straws. He needs 8 for one spider. So we know that one spider is going to equal 8. We know altogether we're going to use 56 straws. So let's make equal groups of 8. There's our first 8, another 8, is 16, another 8 is 24, another 8 is 32, another 8 is 40, another 8 is 48, and our last 8 brings us to 56. All right, so if you look at my model, every time I added another 8, I gave my model another 8. This whole model equals 56. Let's count how many spiders we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had 56 straws. We divided it into equal groups of 8, and we made 7 groups. This can also be written as there are 8 in each group. There are 7 groups. Altogether, we have 56 straws. Let's try another one. Liz made 9 animals. She used 54 straws. She used the same number of straws for each animal. How many straws did Liz use for each animal? So, what is this problem asking us to find? This problem is asking us to find how many straws Liz used for each animal. what information is going to help us solve this? Okay, we know that she made 9 animals and she used 54 straws altogether. So, we know there were 54 straws divided into 9 equal groups. We don't know how many yet are in each group. So, 9 equal groups times we don't know how many in each group is going to equal 54. Let's make our 9 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we have our 9 equal groups, our 9 animals. Let's start distributing these 54 straws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So we had 9 equal groups. We distributed 54 straws evenly. Let's see how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 54 divided by 9 equals 6, or 9 times 6 equals 54. Now, if we were to make a model like we did with the last one, all together, we would have 54. And we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 groups of 6.